What's up world, it's Dallas with Gadget Hacks, and today I'm going to show you how to open links in different browsers with gestures. If you're one of the many people that like to keep multiple web browsers installed on their Android device, and say you have one for the majority of your browsing, then another for specialized content, you know how it gets annoying having to choose your browser every time you tap a link. There have been many apps to streamline this process a bit, but none are as simple and easy to use as SnakeDev's LinkSwipe. A free version is available on the Play Store, so go ahead and get it installed and we'll check out how it works. When you first run the app, it'll ask if you'd like to calibrate the service. Go ahead and tap Yes here. With this first entry, you'll be setting LinkSwipe as your default link handler. Tap Set Default, then on this next menu, select LinkSwipe and choose Always. With that taken care of, you can calibrate LinkSwipe's gestures using this second entry. Basically how it works is if you tap a link, your normal browser will open it. But if you tap and then swipe, a secondary browser will open the link. So this calibration option is really meant to let you determine how quickly you have to swipe after that first tap. When you tap Calibrate here, the screen's going to turn blue. When it turns blue, just swipe in any direction. The time between when you tap to calibrate and when you swipe the blue screen will determine the timing of the gesture you use to open links in the future. So let me show you how that looks. Really just try to be natural and do it as you think you would normally do. Okay, so with calibration finished, tap the Done button at the bottom of the screen. From here, you'll be taken into LinkSwipe's main configuration menu. The Pro version, which costs 99 cents, will let you configure 5 different gestures. A single tap, or a tap followed by a left, right, up, or down swipe. But the free version only gives you access to the first 2 gestures. That's still plenty in my opinion. So use the Default Tap button to select your main browser. This means that simply tapping a link like normal will open it with your preferred browser. Then use the second gesture setting, tap and swipe left, to set up a secondary browser or action. This is actually a pretty powerful app, since you can not only choose to set this gesture to open a link with a secondary browser, but you can also have it do stuff like share a link or cancel out your first tap. But for most people, Open in Browser will do the trick, which lets you select a secondary browser. So with your gestures set up, just back all the way out of LinkSwipe so you can try it out. For this example, I'll use Google Search, but it'll work the same with any links system-wide. Since I set Chrome as my default browser, a single tap should open the website with that app. Nice and smooth, and you wouldn't even know there was anything different going on here. But if I head back to that same Google search now, only this time, I'll tap the link and swipe left. You see it opens in my secondary browser. Pretty cool, huh? But for the full breakdown, be sure to check out my article at the link in the description below. And as always, we'd appreciate it if you would like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel. So we'll see you again next time, folks, but until then, happy gadget hacking!